everybody? Andy Sachs here with Around Town Real Estate, and I'm joined with James. James, how are you, man?
Doing well.
Rings End Lumber is our next award winner of Business Around Town, and you guys all know by now, we've done about 5 or 6 of these. You've got to have great standards on Google, on Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and just be a known entity around town and around the region. And Rings End, I think, is synonymous with home renovations, and in this center, more paint than I've ever seen in my life.
No, it's our intention is to come in here and just provide good service, provide expertise, be a resource for the community so
Absolutely.
that, people have things they want to do, people have, projects they want to take care of around their home, and, we want to make sure that it, turns out to be their vision.
And you guys have, obviously, it's a paint center, but you also have design services here.
Correct. Yep, we do offer Hunter Douglas shades, Dash and Albert rugs. We do wallpaper. We do fabrics. We have a designer full-time on staff here.
Awesome.
So lots that we want to offer.
Very cool. And how has it been opening up here in Newtown? You guys have been open about a year now?
About almost a year and a half now. So, no, it's a great community. I mean, if anything, this is the most community-driven place I've ever worked. People want to come and shop local.
Yeah.
They talk, they recommend, and it's good to be able to get back out into the community as well and give back with them.
And that's what it's all about. And that's why I think Newtown's very special. A lot of the other neighboring towns are as well.
Yeah.
But I think Newtown really is held to a high standard of shop local, support local. And you guys are doing a great job, both being a steward of your own store here, but also getting back out in town and ingratiating yourself in town. So I appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Great things.
I appreciate it.